How the finance industry destroys economies. You've been told that finance keeps the economy running. But what if I told you the very system meant to protect wealth is also the one quietly destroying entire economies? From 2008 to present day, the finance industry has played both hero and villain. And today, we're pulling back the curtain. At its core, the finance industry exists to move money from savers to borrowers, to fund innovation, businesses, and growth. Banks loan money, investors take risks. In theory, it's the heart of capitalism. But somewhere along the way, something changed. The goal shifted from supporting the economy to extracting value from it. Starting in the 1980s, deregulation exploded. Banks were no longer just banks. They became investment powerhouses. Risky financial products like derivatives, credit default swaps, and complex securities became the norm. These instruments made huge profits, but created little real value. Instead of fueling productivity, the finance industry became focused on speculation, making money from money, not from goods, services, or innovation. Economists call this financialization, when finance grows faster than the real economy. And that's when the damage begins. The 2008 global financial crisis was the clearest example. Banks gambled with risky mortgage-backed securities. When it collapsed, millions lost their homes, jobs, and savings. But the bankers? They were bailed out. The economy suffered. Inequality skyrocketed. And worse, the same behaviors quietly returned. In many developing nations, IMF and World Bank-backed policies pushed financial liberalization, often leaving countries vulnerable to debt traps and currency collapses. Today, finance has become gamified. From retail investing frenzies to meme stocks, we're told anyone can get rich overnight. But when the music stops, who loses? Regular people. Meanwhile, hedge funds and institutional players cash out early, whether it's over-leveraged banks in China or Silicon Valley banks collapsing in the US. The same cycle repeats. Speculation, collapse, bailout, repeat. The solution isn't to eliminate finance, we need it. But it must be redirected to serve the real economy again. Stronger regulation, transparency, investment in actual production, not paper profits. Until then, the finance industry will keep playing with matches, while the rest of us live in the fire. What do you think? Is the finance industry saving the world or burning it down? Drop a comment below. And if you want more videos breaking down money, markets, and power, hit subscribe and make finance make sense.